circles here for us. I think it might have been a while, probably saw them back in geometry, but just some info again about them. Our standard form of a circle equation looks very similar to an ellipse. We have x minus h squared, y minus k squared, and then instead of having a 1 for our standard form, generally we have a radius squared on the other side. And this really comes from if we have standard form of an ellipse, where the denominators are the same. So if this was the same value, let's just say 100. Then I can multiply both these by 100, and a circle is just an ellipse where the major and the minor axis are the same length, and then we call that the radius. So for number 11, this is a circle equation. I'm not going to go through this one. Do the same thing we did for our ellipses, so complete the square. And then we'll notice that A and B are the same. So this is kind of a little trick here, vertices and co-vertices. Since it's a circle, we don't have them. But you can find the radius. I just wrote that because otherwise I would be giving away that this is a circle if I didn't ask for the vertices and co-vertices, just the same directions as we have before. So for number 11, complete the square like you normally would. Number 12 and 13, this is just like me giving you vertices in an ellipse. So I'm giving you endpoints of a diameter so you can find the center of the circle and the radius very quickly. So you guys can try those out. I'm going to do number 14, a little reminder on this. So I asked to find the coordinates of the points where the given line, so y equals x plus 9, intersects this circle. And whenever we're trying to find the intersection of two equations or whatever it might be, we usually take them and set them equal, right? Or really we're subbing one value into another equation. So I'm not going to solve for y to set these equal, right? But we do have what y equals, so I'm going to sub this in for y in my circle equation. So I've got x minus 3 squared plus, I'll put it in red, y is x plus 9. And then I'm going to multiply this through, simplify all that to solve. So this guy is going to be x plus 14 squared to simplify. So I'll get x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus x squared plus 28x. 14 squared is 196. And going to keep simplifying here. So I'm going to grab my calculator, move all these constants over. On this left side, I'll have 2x squared. I've got 22x. Moving my constants over. Or actually, I'm going to leave them over here. And I'll get a positive 36. Now I could divide everything by 2. Remember, we're trying to solve for x. So it looks like I'm going to get 9 and 2. So x equals -9 and -2. So those are going to be the 2 points. Right? Think about a circle, and it is possible that your line intersects it at 1 point, but probably more likely that it intersects it at 2 points. So then I'm going to sub these back into that line equation to get the y value. So we'll have y equals -9 plus 9, y equals 0, and y equals -2 plus 9, y equals 7. So our two coordinates will be -9, 0, and -2, 7.